Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel using Excel file. So let's start. This is my PDF and you can see here in this PDF have a purchase data. There are total 4 pages in this PDF. So these 4 pages I'm going to convert to Excel using Excel file. So let's start. So open your blank Excel file. So I open here one Excel file blank. Then go to the data tab in get and transform data. Click on the get data option. Then click on the from file. Then click on the from PDF. And here select your the PDF and click on the import. And here you can see the navigator dialog box is open. Here the PDF folder is automatically created. Purchase data PDF. In this PDF there are 4 table available and 4 pages. Here the preview you can see. When you select any option you can see here the preview. Table 1 you can see the preview. Okay. So select the data those you want to convert to Excel, and after that just click on the load option and wait for the few seconds processing. And here you see your data is converted to Excel. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.